Hey everyone, welcome to macOS Genius on the YouTube channel, also a relation to iOS Genius. So you may have came across my video on a shared Facebook page or a referral friend, but if you go to macOSgenius.com, it takes me to my page, Sifu Technology Services. You can run speed tests here. This is my YouTube channel, and so forth. If you're requesting for remote support, we can go ahead and remote into your computer and do any diagnostics if necessary. Completely free. So let's get started. And people are trying to, in a group, in a Facebook group, they're trying to install. So let's go to Facebook. So I'm in this group and someone in here it is, Grant, what's going on? I can't make this work. So Grant is trying to make a bootable USB flash drive. So as you can see, this process here seems to be correct. Volumes, the application path, blah, 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 and it says password, and then it says sudo could not find the create install media. So there is a solution, and I provided him the solution, but I don't have a video, which I was just making right now. So basically, this is the process right here. Well, you're kind of correct, and what the secret is you're doing is wrong. Well, once download it. So you have to follow this process. So to follow this process, I'm just going to go ahead to say macOS upgrade, and we'll say El Capitan. Okay, so here it is, how to upgrade to OS X El Capitan. Select that link that is coming directly from Apple. These are the supported machines. Make a backup, get connected. Now, of course, you can upgrade to Catalina if your computer supports it, but we don't want that. We want to download OS X El Capitan. So we're going to go ahead and select this. It's going to download the DMG file to your computer. Now, it should be downloading 4 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 minutes. Yeah, it's still running kind of slow there for some reason. It could be their Apple servers, because if I go to, I have an RCN connection, download, I understand my download's great, just something's wrong with their OS X server. Okay, so let's get that downloaded. Once it's downloaded, you basically have to, it's the same process as you creating a USB bootable with an OS X, except it's a little different now. It's packaged a little different, and it's a different process. So some people normally just download it from here, or what they do is they send me a link, and in my YouTube channel, you can go to my YouTube channel, and when you go there, there is a link in how to download.
Hey everyone, welcome to Referral Codes.
There you can be able to go to one of my videos, and then in one of my videos I have instructions on how to download an older version of OS X. Here it is right here. And basically you can go through this process, and it basically tells you how you can download it even on a computer that doesn't support it. So okay, so it's already downloaded, so we're just going to go ahead to our downloads. Now you can send me a comment down below, state that if you want an older version beyond El Capitan, because it's not available on Apple's website. I have older versions as well, like High Sierra, Mavericks, and so forth. So this is the package installer. This is what everybody gets confused about. They're like, okay, well, hey, look, I'm going to open this up. Hey, I cannot show package contents. It does not show me. I can't run the terminal command. So let's type in terminal. Okay, so there's the terminal command, and I can't get install media. So what you have to do is you have to run this package program, hit continue. So currently I am running on this computer, should be Mojave, there you go, Mojave. And so here's the installer. So you hit continue, may ask for your password. So put in your password. This goes through. Once it's completely done, it's installing the package installer on your computer. It is not. It's not downgrading your Mojave. Not downgrading your OS X. It's not reinstalling OS X. It is just moving the application folder. So now, if we hit close, you can keep or trash, whichever you want to do. But if you open up Finder, go to Applications, you're going to see there it is, OS X El Capitan. Look, I have macOS High Sierra here already. So it basically here, today, 6:33 a.m., right up here at 6:34 a.m. So it just put the installer there. Now you can do a right click on this, show content packages, package content, expand the content, expand the resources, and there's your create install media. And then just to revalidate that this works, so we just go ahead and do sudo, then we select create install, then you want hyphen volume, and select the volume. So the volume we're going to select on is this 31 gigs here. There's a DMG in here as well. I don't know which one this is. So we're just going to erase that. So we're going to put that one here. And then we're going to do application path, just like how it normally does the 1 year ago. And then just hit enter, put in your computer password. Now, of course, make sure you have it listed to the specific volume that you want, or else it's going to wipe stuff. And like this one here, I don't want to wipe this. This is a bunch of data I have in here. So you want to make sure that's the one you want to delete. So now you just go ahead and press enter. It says, are you sure you want to connect? It will erase everything. So you say yes. And it should go by pretty quick. As you can see, it's 10, 20, 30, 100%. This is an NVMe. So it's really fast. It's like 500 megabits per second or something. So there you go. It's copying the installer files to the disk. And then if you give it a moment, as you can see, it renamed the directory from, what was it, clean 31 gigs or so forth. So it's making the disk bootable. So now if you open this up, now you have that installer there. Now you can go ahead and open the installer. It's not going to work because it's too old to be open on this version of OS X because I'm on Mojave. But you can boot into this flash drive, and then you're all up and running.